In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap tokens on Solflare wallet. We'll walk through a simple token swap using the Solflare browser extension. Before we dive in, a quick note, make sure your Solflare wallet is already set up in your browser and that you have a small amount of Sol available for network fees. Sol is the native token on Solana, and you'll need a little left over to complete any transaction. Start by opening your web browser. In the top right corner, look for your extensions area. If you've pinned the Solflare extension, you'll see its icon right there for quick access. Click the Solflare icon to open the wallet. You should now see your wallet dashboard overlay. From here, locate the swap option inside the wallet and click it. The swap screen lets you exchange one token for another without leaving Solflare, using liquidity from integrated decentralized exchanges. It's a convenient way to trade directly from your wallet while keeping custody of your assets. On the sell side, choose SOL. Selecting SOL ensures you're swapping out of your SOL balance, and it's best practice to keep a tiny buffer of SOL untouched to cover the transaction fee. On the buy side, browse for the token you want to receive in exchange for your SOL. You can type in the token name or symbol to find it faster. Always take a moment to verify you're selecting the correct token, ideally the one with a verified badge or the official listing, to avoid lookalikes. Once you've found the token you want, click that token to select it. The swap view will display a quote, including the expected rate, any estimated fees, and the minimum you'll receive after slippage. Slippage is the small difference that can happen if the price moves while your transaction is processing. The default setting works for most stable conditions, but volatile markets can cause more variation. If the price impact looks unusually high, consider reducing the amount you're swapping. When everything looks good, click Swap. Solflare will route the trade and submit it to the Solana network. You'll see a brief processing state while the transaction confirms, which is typically very fast on Solana. Once it's complete, your balances update automatically. You'll have less SOL and more of the token you chose to buy. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, launch the pinned Solflare extension, go to Swap, set Sol on the sell side, browse and pick the token on the buy side, and click Swap. As a final tip, consider starting with a small test amount when trying a new token, and always keep a little SOL for fees. Thanks for watching, and happy swapping.